are on Hideaway Island at the moment, in Halong Bay in Vietnam, and I was gonna kind of make a whole vlog about being here, like what we got up to and everything, but life escapes you, and it was Emily's birthday, so it was super boozy, so it just didn't happen basically. But I have taken a lot of clips throughout this, so I thought I'd just tell you a bit about where we are, what we got up to, and then like insert and overlay all the kind of clips and stuff that I've taken, because it's some cool footage and I still like to use it. So yeah, Halong Bay is in the north of Vietnam. It is like this like compilation of like limestone giant rocks coming out of the sea, and I think it's limestone. Anyway, it's unreal beautiful. It's a little bit chilly at the moment here, but yeah, it's amazing. And there are two kind of party backpackery tours you can do of Halong Bay. So it's Castaways, which is the like super party one, and I think that's run by like Vietnam backpacker hostels. And then it's Hideaways, which is what we're on, which is the kind of more tame one, but from some of the clips I'm going to insert, you can see it's still a riot. So it's the kind of slightly more tame one, which is run by Central Backpackers and Buffalo Hostel. So yeah, that is what we're on at the moment. It's basically a 1 night or 2 night overnight stay on a private island in Halong Bay, and they take you on loads of, hey Ems, hi, take you on loads of fun things to do. So we've been on like a bike ride around Cat Bar Island. Oh, it's so pretty. Cute. And we obviously spent the whole of the first day basically on the boat. So we like jumped off the boat and into the water, went swimming, had drinks, and it was so much fun. Lots. I've explained that it was your birthday and it got boozy, and that's basically why we don't have a vlog of it. Yes. I wonder if that would look like a little bit.
How cold out of 10?
And I was a duck.
And I was a duck.
I would drink my way to the bottom.
I would drink my way to the bottom.
And swim to the way top.
And swim to the way top.
But the ocean is not a beer.
But the ocean is not a beer.
And I'm not a duck.
And I'm not a duck.
So let's get fucked up.
Let's get fucked up.
Yeah.
But so yeah, we all stay in these little like beach huts. I've done like a ran around of it, and then you wake up to this insane view in the morning. And yeah, we actually only planned to stay for 1 night, didn't we?
We did only plan.
And we had such a good time that we ended up extending to 2 days.
We had 2 terrible girls who told us.
And yeah, the people we met are amazing.
Stay.
Yeah, so we did stay another night. So we are actually here 2 nights now, which
I think it was like £30 extra, which is
yeah,
like
the tour itself isn't
everything
actually
you
crazy
get.
expensive.
No.
I think Castaways is significantly cheaper.
yeah, that's one just like booze.
But yeah, it's just a booze cruise. I don't know, they probably do stuff on Castaways as well, but I can't comment on Castaways because I haven't done it. But I know it's boozier than this, so that's why we opted for this one. We are actually about to go kayaking, which is really exciting. So I'm going to take the GoPro with me and actually try and film some of us kayaking, so it's not just all overlays, and get that in this as well. So I need to get my GoPro, and it's raining right now, so I also need to get my rain jacket. It's cold and rainy here, but I've got shorts on, so don't get too wet.
I'm double hooding it.
Double hooding it.
I'm double hooding it.
Let's go get ready. So we're going kayaking. Getting our, what do you call those? Oars. Getting our oars right now to go and get in our kayaks. How do you know which ones are small? That feels okay. I'm gonna go for that one. Yeah, everyone on the beach. Ready to go. Bitch.
Oh, bitch.
Really, really lovely. Halong Bay.
So lovely. It's not raining at all. We're not soaked
We're wet.
at all.
It is still beautiful, still fun, but this is our vibe right now. We've got to keep going because we're following ahead and we're in the middle. We're not trailing too far behind, but I can't put my hood up because then I can't see anything, so the whole thing.
I can't. Stand up, dude. Hold on. Oh, you broke something.
So we're on a fishing village
Yeah,
in the middle of Halong Bay.
AJ's gonna be like,
Do you want to be in the vlog, AJ?
Halong Bay, baby.
Oh. We're going to see a baby shark, but there's a baby doggy
You
here.
have no idea. Like, this boat's on 90
You're so cute. That's our boat.
now I'm all
So me and Ems have decided to sit out this one because it's too wobbly, but all the boys have gone to see a baby shark.
not us today, Rena.
Do you want to be in the vlog, Asa? I don't. Yeah, you made it. They're going over there. I hope they take some pictures I can still.
Really good.
I think we leave Harry to do that.
Story, AJ.
Hold up.
Baby shark. Da, 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 da. You're not going to be able to see it.
Ask me night.
Sorry if I.
Alicia, you're in the way, man. It'd be a really good photo if you weren't in the way.
Come on. You wanna go back? Go back.
All right, jump in.
Right, so maybe we just, if we pat you that way, we get one of all four of us.
It's a video.
Takes me now. Right, come on, Alice, let's do this last little chunk.
Okay, I'm ready. This scary monkey lives on the island. No one knows how he got here.
But have you seen these videos?
Not even the
No,
He's like, touch my bag again, bitch.
I think one of the cashews. I want to get me more cashews. I feel like he's sad and lonely.
Oh, he's coming too close to me, I don't like it.
And if not, they just allow you to take photos of them.
Come on, do it again, it was cute. Good boy.
So gentle. He's so gentle because I have something to offer him.
Yeah. So me and Emily back in Hanoi now. We are back in Hanoi. I'm like, what do I actually want to say? That's really cute. Yeah, we booked into a hotel for the night before we head off to our hostel, which we're doing the rest of our time in Vietnam in, which we really love as well, so I'm going to link it down below in the rest of my Hanoi related videos.
One of my favourite hostels.
Yeah, definitely one of my favourite hostels as well. We've like booked into it for such a long time, that's how much we like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit of a mismatch of what we got up to, but I wanted to show you what we...
in this video?
I've just been taking loads of like random little bits of footage, so it's just going to be a bit of a montage.
Are you going to put me in my banana outfit?
Yeah, if I've got anything good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Obviously it's a bit random and all over the place, but that is the nature of what we got up to for the past few days. But it was beautiful. It was such a fun time. Everyone running it was incredible, and if you're in Vietnam and in the north, I would totally recommend and it's your thing, obviously. It's not for everyone in the slightest, but I would recommend Hideaways with those guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like always, please remember to subscribe and like and all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one every Friday and Monday at 6 PM UK time. Bye.